Mike from Regala Photography, where we talk about everything photography. Today we're going to talk about 5 tips for taking your best photos. Whether you're a beginner or a professional photographer, these tips will help you take your photos right to the next level. Number 1, always use natural light whenever you can. The best time of day to take photos is during golden hour, which is the hour after sunrise or the hour before sunset. During this time, the light is soft and warm, making your photos look beautiful. If you're taking photos indoors, try to position your subject near a window or a door to get as much natural light in as possible. Number 2, using the rule of thirds. The rule of thirds is a basic principle of composition that involves dividing your image into thirds horizontally and also vertically, kind of like a tic-tac-toe board. The intersection points of these lines are where you should try to place your subject, or as close as possible. This creates a more interesting and balanced composition that draws the viewer's eye to the important parts of the image. Number 3, pay attention to the background. When you're taking a photo, it's easy to get so focused on your subject that you forget about what's going on behind your subject. But the background can make or break a photo. Look for a background that complements your subject and doesn't distract from it. You can also use depth of field to blur your background and make your subject stand out even more. Also related to that, pay attention to the foreground, including interesting foreground elements to create depth and lead the viewer's eye into your photo. Look for natural elements such as rocks or flowers, or even man-made elements such as a fence or a path. That way it can draw your subject's eye right to where your subject is, or your viewer's eye to where your subject is. Tip number 4, perspective is everything. One of the biggest mistakes people make when taking photos is not getting close enough, high enough, or low enough to their subject. A lot of people, they always take photos while they're standing up. They never squat down or stand up on a chair or a ladder or whatever. Whether you're taking photo of a flower, a plate of food, get up close and personal can create a more intimate and engaging photo. Plus, it allows you to capture details that you might not notice from farther away. When taking photos of pets or children, it's important to get down to their level. This creates a more engaging and intimate photo and allows the viewer to see the world from their perspective. Tip number 5, adjust your settings for the situation. Different situations require different camera settings. For example, if you're taking photos of a moving subject, you want to make sure you have a faster shutter speed set in your camera so you can freeze the motion. If you're taking photos in low light, you want to make sure that you have either a slower shutter if need be, if you can do it, otherwise a higher ISO to capture more light. Take the time to learn about your camera settings and how to adjust them for different situations. Get off auto mode. Learn about manual. Well, I hope you found these 5 tips for taking your best photos useful. Remember, the key to great photography is practice. So get out there and start taking photos. And like I just said, get out of auto mode. Start playing around with manual. Okay? All right, please subscribe to my channel. Hit that like button. It really does help the channel. Ring that bell so you'll be notified when my next video is posted. Until next time, take care, everyone.